Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present mini project aquaculture activity. I have choose giant freshwater prawn to culture in pond culture. My name is Nur Afifah binti Abdul Latif. My metric number S48598. For the introduction, Microbacterium rosenbergi is giant freshwater prawn locally known as udang galah in Malaysia. Owing to favorable conditions, this species is mostly cultivated in Southeast Asia and North America. Giant freshwater prawn Microbacterium rosenbergi is among the commercial aquaculture species being given high priority by Department of Fisheries Malaysia as food and food product for consumption and export. The level of freshwater prawn production in Malaysia is relatively low despite the fact that because freshwater prawn are indigenous to the country and Malaysia is one of the pioneers of freshwater prawn production. With rising world population, the market for prawn food is expected to increase. There are some types suitable for culturing giant freshwater prawns such as pond culture, which is providing low cost and low maintenance. Prawn culture method outlined by those promoting the growth of prawn assume that natural food organisms are present when the pond are stocked with post larvae and small juvenile. For objective in my project is to gain information in the sites of fisheries industry and to collect the data on the study site for financial analysis. Benefit for study this project is student was be exposed to know that business in aquaculture field was already been one of major income for our country. And also attract their interest to deep dive in this industry. They also was learn how the business was run to achieve the high profit. From that, it will push themselves to generate more ideas and to make some improvement for getting higher profit. For Chapter 2 Literature Review, Theory of Giant Freshwater Prawn Farming, the Microbacterium genus is farmed worldwide with total annual volume of $2.2 billion. Freshwater prawn agriculture started in the late 1960s at Penang. This species is called udang galah in Malaysia. This species is famous because its size, disease resistance, and high demand both local and international. This species production contributes to national economic development. Aquaculture pond farming. Pond cultivation is popular method of aquaculture production. Pond must be designed appropriately based on the climate. Commonly raised species in freshwater pond is carp, tilapia, catfish, snakehead, eel, and the giant freshwater prawn. Theory of financial analysis. Financial analysis is an evaluation in order to evaluate the company performance, liabilities, assets, and prospects for future earning. Many techniques can be used to assess the financial viability, such as horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, and ratio analysis. Financial analysis is vital to all companies. A financial analysis looks at many aspects of business from its profitability and stability to its solvency and liquidity. For Chapter 3 Methodology, time to study given to complete this mini project is 1 month. Data collection are gathered from multiple sources, websites, social media, newspaper, journal, notes, and collecting data also by online survey. Analysis method has 3: technical analysis, financial analysis, and risk analysis. Financial analysis can be calculated using these four formula. Must be calculated using these four formula. For the Chapter 4, Result and Discussion, Field Study Location Profile, pond used for udang galah is have the same essential characteristics as the pond for the ikan keli. Good freshwater supply is essential. Soil need to excellent water retention qualities. test the soil for the presence of pesticide before building pond explicitly for growing freshwater prawn. Kind of prawn culture, I have choose giant freshwater prawn because the species that have fast growth, hardy and not susceptible to disease, efficient utilize of natural food in the pond, easy to breed and rear seed. All these characteristics is showing that the most suitable species to culture in pond is giant freshwater prawn. Pond construction. A pond construction should have the following characteristics. The shallow end is about 3 to 3.5 feet deep and slope at the deep end at 4.5 to 5.5 feet. The inside slope of sleeves generally range from 2:1 to 3:1. The shape and size of the pond should handling activity and capability, which is rectangle is most suitable shape. It also must near to freshwater sources. Technical of giant freshwater prawn have two phase, nursery phase and grow out phase. Disease and control. Black spot or shell disease, which is caused by bacteria breaking down the outer skeleton. There is no treatment for this as it occurs due to low quality seed and the low quality broodstock. For production, I have 682,500 total. And marketing, I use these three channels, which is producer to wholesaler to retailer to consumer, or producer to retailer and to consumer, producer and direct to consumer. For one is I describe to sell to the local market, two to sell to the restaurant, and three if customer direct buy at our farm. Okay, feasibility analysis, investment and cost. For investment, this project is 300, 17,500. Sorry, 317,500. For operating cost is total 334,273.2. For feed cost, total is 58,000. And for annual depreciation, 58,750. And for the revenue, 682,500. For the SST is 6%, salvage value 25%, staff salary 4%, RM 500, and each person 500, and for monthly they 6,000, and for the year total is 24,000. Maintenance is 28,575, 90% from investment. Depreciation is 5,875. This is cash flow. which is average 133,110. For the investment is 317500, and I get the IRR 32%, and EC ratio 1.289405 is mean goal, and payback period 2.385247. It's mean 2 years. Okay, for that's all my cash flow. For the risk analysis, the risk can be done naturally by human, can be affected by natural disaster such as flood, and can be still by other people because of hard to predict the total number of prawns in the ponds, can be attacked by animals such as beaver because there is nothing covering the pond. And for the conclusion, giant freshwater pond can be seen as catch crop in Malaysia. With the right management skill, this business can be very profitable. As much as we know, good broodstock can make the larvae of the prawn very healthy and thus reducing the cost for treatment and avoid the loss. Thank you.